previous video, our topic was the difference between a theory and a law. But in this video, our topic is how a scientist does his or her work. When you think of the word scientist, you might think of someone wearing a white coat in a lab. But that's not how all scientists work. For example, some scientists work in the forest, some scientists work on the North Pole or the South Pole, and even some scientists work on desert. Like detectives, scientists gather clues and information. The most important clues to a scientist are called facts. Gathering facts is the scientist's most important job. The main kind of investigation a scientist does changes from one science to another. For example, the archaeologist studies about human history. Human history is the evolution of humans. The archaeologist digs through dirt outside and sees if they can find bones or chips of clay pots and even remains of ancient campfires. Those are all very good clues for archaeologists. Making observations is also part of investigation. For example, zoology is the type of science that you study animals. A famous zoologist named Dane Fossey studied gorillas. Studying zoology means to study animals in their natural habitats. That's exactly what Dane Fossey did. She studied the gorillas in their natural habitats. While they loudly played and had fun, she quietly observed them. Collecting and observing are both very good ways to collect clues, but the scientist isn't in charge, meaning nature makes the rules. So the scientist has to be in the right place at the right time to get the facts he or she needs. But with an experiment, it's different because the scientist is in charge and the scientist makes the rules. Experimenting is a very important scientific tool because the scientist is in charge, and when the scientist comes to the conclusion is mostly right because the scientist gets help from other people. That was it for today, guys. I tried to describe the things as easily as I can. And today's question is, which type of scientist would you like to be? Well, that's it for today, friends. Okay, friends, if you know something we skipped, please leave a comment. Okay, guys, please like and subscribe and hit the bell.